every single day, and now millions of people move through airports around the world. Some are small and quiet, but others feel like entire cities, packed with travelers, endless security lines, and planes taking off almost every minute. We're talking about airports handling tens of millions, even over 100 million passengers every year. But here's the real question. What actually makes an airport busy? Is it location, airlines, connections, or something else entirely? Today, we're counting down the 10 busiest airports in the world, and more importantly, why they dominate global aviation. And trust me, some of these might surprise you. Let's start with Istanbul. Istanbul Airport is one of the newest mega airports on this list, but it has already become one of the most important. Opened in 2019, it was designed from day one to be a global super hub. And its biggest advantage? Location. Istanbul sits right between Europe, Asia, and the Middle East. That means airlines can connect passengers between continents with a single stop. Turkish Airlines has built its entire strategy around this idea, flying to more countries than almost any airline in the world. But here's the crazy part. This airport isn't even finished yet. When fully complete, it's expected to handle up to 200 million passengers per year. That would make it by far the largest airport on Earth. Now let's move to Delhi. Delhi's Indira Gandhi International Airport represents something bigger than just travel. It represents the rise of India. Over the past decade, India's middle class has exploded, and with it, demand for air travel. Millions of people who never flew before are now flying regularly. And Delhi is right at the center of that growth. Terminal 3 alone handles massive volumes of passengers and is one of the largest terminals ever built. But here's what makes Delhi special. It's not just busy, it's growing fast. In the coming years, India is expected to become one of the largest aviation markets in the world. And when that happens, Delhi could climb even higher on this list. Next, Paris. Charles de Gaulle Airport is one of Europe's most important gateways, but it's not just about tourists visiting Paris, it's about connections. Air France uses this airport as a major hub, linking Europe to Africa, Asia, and the Americas. Every day, thousands of passengers land in Paris, only to board another flight a few hours later. That's what makes a hub powerful. Not just passengers starting their journey, but passengers passing through. And despite its reputation for complexity, CDG continues to handle enormous volumes year after year. Now let's talk about London Heathrow. This airport is famous, but also under pressure. Why? Because it only has 2 runways. That's it. And yet, it handles more international passengers than almost any airport in the world. Every landing slot, every takeoff is tightly controlled. Airlines compete fiercely just to operate here. And because Heathrow is so constrained, flights are often larger, longer, and more premium-focused. It's not just about volume, it's about value. And that's why Heathrow remains one of the most important airports globally, despite its limitations. Now we move to Dubai. Dubai International Airport is something different. It's not just busy, it's strategic. For years, it has been the world's busiest airport for international passengers. And the reason is simple: location and Emirates. Dubai sits perfectly between Europe, Asia, and Australia. That allows Emirates to connect passengers across the world through one single hub. You can fly from London to Sydney with just one stop in Dubai. From New York to India, again, one stop. And because of this, millions of passengers don't even visit Dubai. They just pass through it. That's what makes DXB one of the most efficient transit hubs ever created. Now let's head to Tokyo. Haneda Airport is a masterclass in efficiency. Located just minutes from central Tokyo, it handles both domestic and international flights. But what makes Haneda truly special is how smoothly it operates. Flights are on time. Operations are precise. And despite handling huge passenger numbers, it rarely feels chaotic. Japan has built a reputation for precision, and Haneda reflects that perfectly. And as tourism to Japan continues to rise, This airport is only becoming more important. Now, Los Angeles. LAX is one of the busiest gateways into the United States. It connects the US to Asia, Latin America, and beyond. But what makes LAX unique is its role in global culture. This is the airport of Hollywood, business, tourism, and international travel. Millions of people arrive here every year, stepping into one of the most influential cities in the world. And despite major upgrades and renovations, one thing hasn't changed. It's always busy, always moving, always full. Next, Dallas-Fort Worth. This airport is enormous, not just in passenger numbers, but in size. It's so large that it has its own zip code. But what really makes DFW powerful is its location, right in the middle of the United States. That makes it perfect for connecting flights. American Airlines uses this airport as a major hub, routing passengers across the country and internationally. And because of its size, it can handle a huge number of flights efficiently. It's not just busy, it's optimized for scale. Now let's go to Beijing. Beijing Capital International Airport has been one of the busiest in the world for years. It serves one of the largest cities on Earth and one of the fastest growing aviation markets. Terminal 3 alone is massive, one of the biggest airport terminals ever built. Even with the opening of Beijing's newer Daxing Airport, this airport still handles huge volumes of passengers. China's aviation demand is enormous, and Beijing remains one of its key gateways. And finally, number 1. Atlanta. Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport. For decades, it has held the title of the busiest airport in the world, and the numbers are staggering, over 100 million passengers every year. So why Atlanta? 2 reasons. First, location. It sits perfectly for domestic connections across the United States. Second, Delta Airlines. Atlanta is Delta's main hub, and that means thousands of flights move through here every single day. Passengers arrive, connect, and continue their journey. It's not just about people starting or ending their trip, it's about connections, and Atlanta does it better than anyone. So, what's the real takeaway here? The busiest airports in the world aren't just big. They're smart. They're built in the right locations. They're powered by strong airlines. And most importantly, they connect the world. So, next time you're walking through an airport, just remember, some of these places handle more people in a single day than entire cities. From Dubai to Atlanta, these airports keep the world moving. So, which one have you been through, and which one surprised you the most?